Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got a bit of a park area here. Now this is quite a big area, guys. It's Parc El Moralet. Fortunately it's in Spanish, so can't kind of translate for you. Probably not going to go up there, it's a bit rough looking, so we'll see if there's maybe another way in. This is quite a big park, has a lot of area. Quite a busy road this, but still nice quiet area. If you're enjoying watching all the video, guys, please make sure that you hit the like, share with people that you know so they can enjoy the videos also. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and of course make sure that you've hit that notification bell so that way you get notified of when I upload more great content, guys. As you can see, there's lots of little tracks overlooked by the mountains there.